Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to day 4 of 10 days to 2021. I know this video is coming up a little late because there was some technical issue with my camera and at the last moment I recorded it in my phone. So in today's video I'm going to show you step by step routine of how you can get a good smoky eye look, and this is for beginners. You will need just 2 to 3 eyeshadows, not much. So if you want to know how to get a good smoky eye look, then please continue watching. So before you do any kind of base makeup, it is important to set your eyelids. So I'm going to take my NYX eyeshadow base. You can either use an eyeshadow base or you can use a concealer to set your eyelids. And now I'm going to set this concealed areas in place with a loose powder, because it is important to set your cream products with a loose powder, otherwise it will crease into your fine lines. So I will set my eyelids and be right back. You can use any eyeshadow palette that has a matte black in it. So for today's video, I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution and Petra palette. This is the same palette my friend Rakshita used to create like a fun makeup look on me. If you haven't watched that video, I will link it somewhere here. It is a very fun video to watch. And for tools, you just need 2 brushes, not more. Just a flat brush for eyeshadow application and a fluffy brush to blend it out. So what I'm going to do, the first thing is I'm going to directly go in with a black shade. So if you're someone who is an absolute beginner, then I would ask you to take a fluffy brush and pick a transition shade, like a very cool pink shade or a very light brown shade. So for that purpose, I'm going to first take this shade, which is called Get Ready. So this is like a very cool tone brown shade, and this is for if you're an absolute beginner, then you would need this step to just define your crease line. So I'm just going to take some and define my crease line with this shade. For the next step, I'm going to take this flat eyeshadow brush. I'm going to pick this matte black shade. This is called All Black Everything. I'm going to pick it with the flat side of the brush, dust off the excess, and I'm just going to pack this black shade all over my lids till the crease shade. I don't want to take it above the crease shade. So this black is going to be till the crease shade and all over the lid space. You can also apply some Fix Plus or makeup setting spray just to get more intensity. But if you are a beginner, I would ask you not to do that, because you will get, there are chances that you might get scared looking at the pigmentation. So just build the color little by little without adding any makeup setting spray. There will be slight fallout, don't worry. Don't do your base first. When you're doing intense smoky eyes, if you're playing with colors, I would suggest you do your eye makeup first, so that even if there's any fallout, you can just brush it off and then do the base makeup. Once you're happy with the pigmentation, I would ask you to go with the blending brush and pick the transition shade once again. Just dip in just a little bit, take off the excess, and start blending the crease line once more, because right now the black looks so pigmented and so harsh. So if you want to get a very smooth smoked line, then just pick some product and just run through the crease once more. By doing this, it will not only deposit some extra crease color on the transition line, but it will also just smoke out and smoothen the black shade. You'll see a difference right now. Can you see how the black is smoothened out here and how it is just right there on your eye, on this eye? So that's the difference I'm talking about. So let's quickly do the other eye. So this is pretty much your smoky eye look. I will complete my base makeup and be right back. So this is the final look, everyone. I just completed the base off camera. I've kept the base really very subtle. Just a little bit of foundation, just some concealer under my eyes, no contour, blush and highlighter. And I did go for a very neutral pink lipstick because we have gone pretty bold on the eyelids. There's another way I do my smoky eye. I apply a base kajal and everything. With this technique, you just have to apply some black eyeshadow, blend it out, apply some crease color, and you're done. This is the best smoky eye technique that I use whenever I want to get ready very fast. You can definitely do this look under 5 minutes, and if you try out this look, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram page. I will leave my handle in the description box below. I'll see you all tomorrow with another video. Take care. Bye bye.